Hello everyone, today I will discuss about Combined Mathematics Chapter 7, Probability 2. For this chapter, first I will extend about sample space. Okay. Sample space. So what means by sample space? Sample space means all the possible outcomes. In all possible outcomes. It's called sample space. So, for example, when I roll a dice, the sample space for get the number maybe. For a dice, a play dice maybe is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's called sample space. So my number of sample space equal to how many possible outcomes I will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possible outcomes. Okay, it's called sample space. So before we go through question example, so we need to understand why we need to learn about this topic. Normally we use probability in our daily life, like we play lottery. Okay, for example, we have a lottery. As we know, lottery for 4-digit number. Okay, the possible outcome, it may be 0, 0, 0, 0 until 9, 9, 9, 9. So when I buy one number, for example, one 4-digit number for the lottery, for example, I buy for 132. Okay, so the probability to win the lottery is, so in this chapter we need to understand the formula. Probability of an event is equal to number of events, okay, how many number I buy, divide by number of sample space. So event means this one, okay, I buy one number only, so I put one number by event, divide by my sample space, all the possible outcome, how many possible outcomes it will be in the result. So as we know, it's 10,000. So the probability to win the lottery is, if I buy one number only, is 1 over 10,000, means that it's only 0.0001%. Okay, it's called probability. So we go through question number 1, example 1. Let's look at this example question. So it's in the sample space. Okay, like I say, sample space is a set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. For the following experiment, a marble is rolled at random from a box containing a red marble, a white marble, and a green marble. So let's say, okay, this is the box. So inside the box we have a red marble, okay, red marble, a white marble, and a green marble. So the possible outcome, the sample space, okay, we get from the box, okay, maybe we will get red, maybe we will get white, or maybe we will get green. Normally we use alphabet. Okay, normally we will use alphabet, okay, to write down the sample space. Okay, next, rolling a play dice and tossing a play coin. So the sample space, when we roll a dice, maybe we will roll a sample space. Maybe we will roll a dice number 1, then toss a play coin. Maybe we will get 1 and head. Maybe we will roll for 1 and tail. Maybe we will roll for 2 and head. 2, tail. Then maybe we will roll a play dice number 3 and tossing for head. 3, tail, 4, all the possible outcomes. So this is called sample space. So how many sample space we get? How many possible outcomes? We will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will get 12 number of sample space. Okay, this is the answer. So let's look at next example question. Okay, for this question, we will learn about probability of an event. Okay, the probability of an event A with sample space. Okay, the above diagram shows 6 number cards in a box. So there are 6 number cards in a box. So a card means only one card is picked at random from the box. So we need to find the probability of obtaining a prime number. So first we need to know what is prime number. Prime number is a number. It can only divide by itself. Okay, 2 is a prime number. Okay, 2 is a prime number. Okay, 5 is a prime number. 6 is not the prime number because it can divide by 3 or 2. Okay, and then 10 also not the prime number. So 13 is a prime number and 15 can be divided by 5, 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 2, 5, 13 is a prime number. So it's called event. Okay, it's called event. So how many events over here? 3 events. So number of A, okay, equal to 3. So we need to state what is A means for. Okay, let's A. When we answer question, we need to explain. Let's A, okay, B. Let A be okay, prime number. Okay, so the probability of obtain a prime number equal to number of events divided by number of sample space. So sample space means the possible outcome. Okay, we can also define as total. Okay, how many total are there in the box? So as we know, number of events is 3 and number of sample space. How many sample space? How many possible outcomes we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. It's not the final answer. Remember to simplify. Okay, remember to simplify. Okay, you can divide by 3. Okay, so my final answer equal to 1/2. Okay, this is the answer for A, question A. So let's look at question B. Okay, I use blue color as answer question B. A whole number. Okay, so we need to explain. Okay, what is whole number? Whole number means a number without any decimal point. Okay, it's called whole number. So as we know, the number from the box are whole number. So number of my event equal to 1, 2, 3, all are whole number. So I just directly put 6. So remember to explain what is B stand for. Let B, we can also put equal, or we can write B a whole number. Okay, then we put our formula. Okay, B equal to number of my event divided by my number of my sample space. So my event is 6, then my sample space is 6 also. So 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. So we get 1 for the answer. Remember when our probability, I use our probability for this chapter. When we get our answer for 0, it means this one never happened. Okay, never happened. It will not happen. Impossible happen. When we get our probability answer, the answer for 1, then it means it's compulsory happen. It must happen. It must happen. It shall happen. Event is sure to happen. Okay, so this normally we will get an answer between 0 or 1. Okay, answer between 0 or 1. Okay, we won't get any answer in negative form. Okay, so normally we will get answer between 0 or 1. So 0, okay, we will obtain the probability for getting the whole number. Okay, it's 1, means that we must pick 1. We must pick the whole number. Okay, it sure happen. Okay, for C, okay, let's check the answer for C. Okay, C, we need to find the probability of getting a multiple of 7. Okay, as we know, multiple of 7 is 7, 14, 21. Okay, and then 28 is a multiple of 7. So in this group, okay, we can find multiple of 7. It didn't have any multiple of 7, right? It's okay. We just put, okay, let's see, okay, the event of multiple of 7. Then we put our formula. The probability to get multiple of 7 is equal to number of my event divided by number of my sample space. So number of multiple of 7 is nothing. Okay, divided by, okay, how many possible outcome we will get from the box 6 possible outcome. So I will get 0. So remember what I explained just now. Okay, 0 means possible we will get multiple of 7. Okay, so last one. B. Okay, same. Okay, a number between 3 and 10. Okay, means that our number cannot include 3 and 10. So our event maybe so our event maybe is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the number 4, 5, 6 we can find over here. And then what is the number between 3 and 10? 6, 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. So we can find, okay, the probability, okay, let's say B. Okay, equal to number of my event, number between 3 and 10 is going to be 2. Okay, I need to put B, number of event divided by number of sample space. So equal to how many number of events here? Okay, 2 divided by 6. So simplify it. Okay, so I will get 1 over 3. Yeah, we need to explain. Okay, what is D? Therefore, let D be a number between 3 and 10. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, for this question, in a class, what people like to eat? If a pupil is selected at random from the class, the probability of selecting the pupil who likes to eat pizza is 2 over 5. How many people are there in the class? So, don't worry, actually, normally we use the sum formula. Then this has the probability. Okay, for this question, okay, so like as usual, then like X can be the number of pupils. Because we don't know how many people in the class, right? So we just use this X be the number of people in the class. So number of my sample space equal to sample space I say total, okay, equal to X. So now I need to find probability A. Okay, let A be the event of pupil who like to eat pizza. Okay, so just we know number of my events because we like to eat pizza is 12. Yes, 12. This one should be my event. 8. So as usual, we could use the formula. Okay, probability equal to number of events divide by number of sample sets. So the answer is already given to us a 2 over 5, right? 2 over 5. However, how we know the number of students who like to eat pizza actually is 12. Okay, so what is the number of sample sets? So 2 becomes 12, we need to times 6. So 5 also we need to follow. Okay, times 6 also. So I will get 30. Okay, I will get 30. So my answer, okay, 50 equal to 2 over x. Okay, we can write like this, okay? So 2 over x equal to 12 over 30. Okay, like this. Okay, then we can simplify it. Okay, so this one times 6. This one also. So I will get the answer. Actually, is 5, right? So this is 5. This is x. Okay, times 6. So 5 times 6 equal to 30. Okay, to do like this. So this is my answer. Therefore, there are 30 people in the class. Okay, we always use the sum formula to solve the problem. Okay, we always use this formula, number of events divided by number of sample sets. Okay, to solve the problem. Okay, let's look at next question, next example. Okay. So for this question, we need to know what is the probability of the complement of an event. So the complement of an event is a set of all outcomes in a sample set that are not included in the outcome of an event A. Okay, for example, let's look at this question. Okay. The diagram shows 6 number cards in a box. A card is picked at random from the box. So we need to set complement, okay, which is not included, okay, of each of the following event in word, okay, or set notation. Okay, for this question, how we answer this question? Okay, like as usual, before we answer question, we need to know the sample set. So we just list out all the sample sets. Sample set. Okay. Remember, for the chapter probability, we need to list out all the sample sets. We need to know the sample sets before we answer the question. Okay. So the sample set given is 3, 5. Okay, when we pick, okay, a card, okay, the possible outcome, okay, the possible card we will pick, okay, is 3, 5, 8, okay, 11, 12, or 15. So, okay, question A. Okay, this question. The event of picking a prime number. Okay, so prime number here. Okay, let's say with the prime number. Okay, is 3, 5, 11. Okay, so 1. Okay, this one works. Okay, I choose this one. 1, 2. So 1. We need to find the complement for event in word. Okay, so the complement of A okay, the complement. Okay, this is A, right? Okay, this is A, yeah. So A, okay, the complement for A is 3, 5, 11. So, Okay, we need to answer it in word. Okay, we need to answer right in word. Okay, this is the event. This is the event. Okay, as we know, prime number is 3, 5, 11. So when we need to find the complement, means that we need to find the outcome. Okay, which are not included in. Okay, for example, the outcome is 3, 5, 11. So means complement not included in. Okay, in an event F, 12, and 16. It's called complement. Okay, so we write in word. We write in word. Is the event of not picking a prime number from the box. Okay, this is the event. So a complement, okay, normally we will write like this. Okay, it's the event of not picking a prime number from the box. Okay, it's called complement. Okay, when we write in set notation, it's very easy. Normally we write in set notation. Okay, so we just directly say complement of A equal to, when the question, okay, request us to find event of picking a prime number. We know that 3, 5, 11 is a prime number, right? But when the question requests us to find the complement, means that we need to find the number which is not a prime number. Okay, which number is not a prime number? 8, 12, and 15. Okay, complement. Okay, so okay, we try one more question. Okay, B. Okay, B. Okay, event of picking an even number. Okay, so let my event be B. Okay, so as I know, even numbers is F and 12. This is even number. Okay, F and 12, and the other is odd number, right? So when the question requires us to find a complement, means that we need to find the answer which is not the even number. Okay, which is not the even number. So we need to write in word. Okay, a complement, okay, of B is the event of picking an odd number from the box. Okay, so we know that okay, we need to write the answer in set notation. It's very easy. So the complement of the event number is, okay, which one is not an event number? Okay, we know event number is 8 and 12. Okay, so the complement is odd number, so we need to write 3, 5, 11, and 15. Okay, so next, okay, we try for two more questions over here. Complement. Okay, now the question requires mention about event of picking an odd number. So we use C, okay, as an event. C, okay, odd number is 3, 5, 11, and 15. So when the answer requires us to find a complement, means that we need to find a number which is not an odd number. So we need to find even number. So the complement, we need to write answer in word. Okay, complement of C, okay, equal to is the event of picking an even number. So we need to write answer in, okay, we need to write answer set notation. Okay, so C complement equal to, okay, which answer is, okay, not an odd number, F and 12. Okay, one more question for complement. Okay, D. Let's say D is my event. So event of picking a multiple of 3. Okay, which one is multiple of 3? Okay, 3, 12, and 15. So when the question requests us to find the complement of an event, means that we need to find a number which is not multiple of 3. Okay, so we write answer in words. Okay, the complement of event B, okay, complement B, yeah? Okay, is the event of not taking a multiple of 3. So we write answer in notation. So which is the complement of D? Okay, the complement equal to, okay, we know, okay, our simple says, okay, 3, 12, 15, okay, are the multiple of 3, number multiple of 3. So the complement is 5 at 11. Okay, it's called complement. Okay, complement. So, okay, for next question, okay, we will determine the probability of the complement of an event. Okay, we look at next question. Okay, a box contains 2 green cards, 3 blue cards, and 1 white card. If you randomly pick up a card from the box, find the probability of getting a green card. Okay, before, remember what I say, okay, before we answer the question, remember to list out the sample test, okay, sample test. Okay, now Chippy need to randomly pick up cup, means he need to take a cup from the box. So the probability, so the possible outcome he will get, okay, from the cup is, maybe we will get green, the green one. Okay, how many green over there? There is 2. Okay, green also, green number 2. Okay, and blue, because there is 2 blue colors. Green, blue, green, or maybe we will get the white color one. Okay, so let's G1, G2 be the green tab, C1, B2, B3. Okay, remember that what is your symbol over here. Okay, remember to write. Select G1 and G2. Okay, be your green tab. Okay, and then B1, B2, B3, okay, be your blue cap, okay, and W, be white cap. Okay, remember to, okay, write down here symbol explain what is to sample, and then now after we list out our sample test, then we can answer our question. Okay, getting a green cat. How many green cats over here? Okay, there is how many green? 2, right? Okay, 2. So let A, okay, be our event of getting a green cat. How many green cats over here? Green 1 and green 2. So the number of my event is 2. Okay, then we put our formula. Probability of getting a green cat is equal to number of green cats over number of total. Okay, 6 times. Okay, means that from the 6 cats over there, maybe 2 times, okay, we will get 4 colors, green colors. Okay, it's called probability of 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3 is 33.33%. We will get the green cat color. The green color. Okay, this is the answer for A, and then we write B. Okay, B. Not getting a green cat. So as we know, green cat 1 over 3, right? Okay, so we can use the alternative method. We can use this formula to find not getting a green cat. Okay, we can use this method. Okay, we can use this method. Which one? green cap. This one. So means that this complement of the green, right? So we can use this method. Okay, 4/6. Okay, so 2/3 we were not getting a green cap. Or we can use the alternative method. Okay, the complement method. As we know, okay, we must get the answer for probability. Okay, we can use like this. 1 minus, okay, getting green number, a green color cap. Okay, 1 minus, because 1 means sure they will get for 100%. Okay, I minus, okay, 1/3. Okay, this is for getting green cap. So the probability for not getting a green cap is 1 minus 1/3, so equal to 2/3. Okay, we can use this method also. Okay, so this is for complement. Okay, next, okay, now for last topic we will learn the probability of a combined event. Okay, the probability of combined event. Okay, let's look at. Okay, for this question, okay, the number is chosen randomly from the set 3, 5, 8, 10, 11, and 16. So list the outcome of the event that an event number or a multiple of 3 is chosen. Okay, for this question, where I get this question from? Okay. Actually, this is a combined event. The probability of a combined event. So, okay. Remember what I said before we answer the question, we need to list our sample space. Okay. Sample space. Okay. Now we need to choose a number, right? Choose a number from a set. So the possible outcome, possible number, okay, will be chosen by this is 3, 5, 8, 10. Maybe we will choose 11 also, 16. Okay, this is a sample space. Possible outcome. It means the number of possible outcome, number of sample space equal to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there is 6 possible outcome. We will get from the number. Okay, then we answer question A. List the outcome of the event. Okay, so let's A, okay, be the event. Be the event. Okay, that and E, which is event number, or a multiple of 3. Okay, so this is A. Okay, event that an event number is chosen. Okay, so this code. Okay, when the question for this combined question, normally question will request for 2 events. Okay, that is event number. Okay, and multiple of 3. Okay, so for this question, first question mentioned about or. So means that it's not compulsory. Okay, we can either choose event number or multiple of 3. So which one is event number? Event number is 8, 10, and 16. Okay, we can also choose because it's mentioned about or. So not compulsory. Okay, we can either choose event number or, okay, a multiple of 3. So which one is a multiple of 3? We can also choose 3. The normal multiple of 3. So our event is equal to, okay, we write in notation form. Our event is 3, 8, 10, and 16. Okay, so event number or multiple of 3. Okay, or okay. So answer, so the probability. This is the outcome. Okay, it just requires us to list the outcome, so this is the outcome. So in case the question, okay, requires us to find the probability. So we can do like this. Probability of event A equal to number of event divided by number of sample space in case the question mention. Okay, requires us to find the probability. Remember the formula. Then the number of an event is 4 and the number of sample space is 6, so equal to 2/3. Okay, this is the answer for probability. Okay, but the question is only requires us to list out the outcome of the event. So we just do like this. Okay, for other method we can use other method, okay, to find out the answer also. Okay, for example, we find, okay, the event. Okay, okay, right over here. Okay, let A be the event of the even number. Okay, which is a right in notation form 8, 10, and 16. Okay, let B, okay, be the number of multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Okay, so right in notation form 3. Okay, and then, okay, or, okay, the event that is an even number or multiple of 3 is chosen. That means that we need to find these two answers. Okay, equal to A union B. Okay, so equal to 3, 8, 10, and 16. We can do like this also. Okay, using this method. Okay, using this method. Okay, for question B. For question B. Okay. Okay, not this part first. Okay, we need to find the outcomes of the event that is odd number or also. Okay, we should mention about or. It means that not compulsory. Okay, so we find, okay, let B be the event that of an odd number or a number greater than 13. Okay, and then, okay, first we look at first condition. First condition, odd number. Okay, we find odd number. The odd number is 3, 5, and 11. So write in notation form 3, 5, 11, and then, okay, and the second condition is a number greater than 13. Okay, 13. So we will get this answer. Okay, the possible outcome, okay, of the event. Okay, of course we can use other method. Okay, like what I said just now. Okay, we can write like this. Let C be the event that an odd number is chosen. Okay, can write in notation form. Okay, 3, 5, 11. Okay, and then let D, okay, be the event that a number greater than, okay, 13. It is chosen. Okay, write in notation form. Okay, that is 16. Okay, so or means, okay, we use union. Okay, so the answer C or B, okay, even C and D. Okay, so the possible outcome to get the odd number or number greater than 30 is C union D. So equal to 3, 5, 11, and 16. Okay, so this is the combined event. So now we look at probability, okay, for combined event. Okay, this question is I picked from book. Okay, box A contains a green spoon, a white spoon, and an orange spoon, and the box B, okay, contains a red spoon, and a blue spoon, and then the spoon is chosen. That means I need to choose one only. Okay, one only spoon at random from each box. So I need to find the probability that a green spoon from box A and a blue spoon from box B. And before we answer the question, okay, we may go box. We may go out. Okay, our box A and B. Okay, so this is box A. This is box B. So box A contains green spoon. Okay, a white spoon and an orange spoon, and box B contains red spoon and a blue spoon. Okay, so now I need to pick, okay, randomly, okay, one spoon from box A and one spoon from box B. Remember, before we answer question, remember to list out our sample space. Okay, x equal to, okay, answer, okay, here is n, means that we must pick a green spoon, okay, compulsory. We must pick a green spoon from box A and must pick a blue spoon from box B. Okay, it's okay, we just list out our sample space, possible outcome. And maybe we will get, okay, green from box A and R from box B. Okay, or green from A and B, blue from box B. Okay, or okay, white spoon from A or red spoon from B. A white spoon from A or blue spoon from B, or orange spoons from A, red spoon from B, or orange from A and blue from B. So there is 6 possible outcomes over there, and then now we need to answer the question. Okay, number of sample space equal to 6. Okay, write down first. Okay, now we can answer our question A. Green spoon from A. Okay, green from A, and means compulsory. We must A and B, blue from B. So green and blue. Green and blue. Okay, this one. Okay, how many possible answer? How many event over there? 1. Okay, 1. So number of my event. Okay, let's say A. Remember to set what is A. A means for a green spoon. Okay, an event for a green spoon from A and a blue spoon from B. Okay, are chosen. Okay, I write down. Let's say maybe the event of a green spoon from box A and a blue spoon from box B are chosen. Okay, now okay, so the event is green notation. Okay, green and blue. Normally the answer must write in big capital. Okay, usually. So number of my event A is equal to 1. So then I put down my formula, which is probability to get a green spoon from A and a blue spoon from B is 1/6. Okay, 1/6. That is the number of my event A and the number of my sample space. Okay, 1/6. And then the next question, B. Okay, same also. Let's B. Okay, equal to my event of getting a orange spoon from box A, okay, or a red spoon from box B is chosen. So, or means that it's not compulsory. Okay, either one. Okay, we can fulfill either one condition. Okay, either we choose the orange Okay, or red spoon. Okay, we find the answer for the event. Orange. Okay, let's fulfill one of the conditions. Orange, yes. And red spoon. Red over here, red over here. Okay. Wait. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. So my probability to get the event is number of my event B divided by my number of my sample space. So B is 4. My sample space is 6. So possible probability is 2/3. So here is the answer. Okay. So that's all I want to share for this topic. Okay, hope you like the video.